Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to cook very special pink salmon. This is a very tasty fish to cook on. You can cook in oven or very shallow fry, lightly touched olive oil. We have got a skin on pink salmon, fresh pink salmon. We left the skin on to leave a bit of fish fat in it, which is a healthy fat. We're going to be using, for marination purpose, we will be using what you call ajwan. You can call it, well, in English it's called bishop's weed or carom seeds. This is what they look like. Available in all halal Asian shops, grocery shops. We use this fried fish masala. It's made by Shan, and it's one of the nice masala makers. It's a fish masala and a bit of lemon juice. What we're going to do, take all these three ingredients and marinate this for about an hour before we move to a next step. It's going to be a very delicious pink salmon. Let us start and show you what to do next. Ladies and gentlemen, what we done, we left the pink salmon to marinate in the spice mix we shown you with the lemon and a bit of carom seeds. And what we done is we've taken about half a kilo of any potato you can take, peel it, cut it into small pieces of this size and boil it completely. And then what we're going to do, we're going to mix these few herbs in it to make it good flavor. We've taken garlic powder, ginger powder, mixed herbs, oregano, table salt, just a pinch, black peppers ground, and olive oil. What we're going to do, we're going to mix all this into this tray and then oven it on full heat for half an hour, which we're going to then serve along with the cod, which we're going to show you how to prepare the final step. Okay, we've just shown you mixing all the spices into these boiled potato pieces, and what we've done is now brought the oven into full heat and placed the tray in here. This will roughly take about half hour. It all depends on heat intensity. Keep an eye on, toss them in the middle and cook them well. Don't let them burn. We'll show you the final product. While these are getting ready, we'll show you what we're going to do with the salmon. Okay, what we've done here is we placed a bit of a touch of olive oil onto the pan, non-stick, and placed some onions, just elongated cut onions like that, and we're going to place salmon onto that, and we're going to cook it well along with the onions. Onions will go very darkish, and they will produce extra flavor. Okay, what we've done here is we placed the salmon onto the pan on top of some of the onions and the oil, and after placing the salmon, we've placed the rest of the onions on top, and you reduce the heat. Do not cook it on full heat. Just cook it gently, and you will be tossing it a few times while you're cooking it. It takes about 15 minutes to cook. Okay, what we've done is we tossed it once after cooking about 3 minutes on very sort of low to medium heat. As you see, this is a skin on. The skin on leaves the fish juicy, as well as preserves its fat under the skin, which is good for your health. The good thing is that if you buy the one with the skin on, it is always more juicy, more tender, and more pleasant to eat. What we've done, we tossed it once, and we're going to cook it for another 3 minutes, and then we're going to toss it again. So this is a slow process. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes in total to cook it, and we'll toss it another couple of times. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the fish, the salmon is almost ready. As you can see, the onions are gone dark brown, and the fish is well cooked. It's been tossed about 3 to 4 times and been cooked for about 20 minutes on slow to medium heat. And we're going to dish it out, and we'll show you the final product. Beautiful, it's already looking beautiful, nicely cooked, very juicy. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, here is our final product. We've shown you both items, which is pink salmon, along with some roasted onions, shallow fried onions, and also roasted potato snacks, which is totally home improved. These are fresh cut potatoes. You can take any potatoes, but it all depends on your taste. Now this salmon is awesome. It tastes beautiful, especially when these onions are sort of gone very dark brown. It tastes a lot better. Look at the shine, and look at these potato snacks. They're all gone crispy as well. And we've shown you both items, how step by step how to prepare them and how to cook them. I hope that you have liked our recipe. Please let us know if you like us to cook anything else. Please share this recipe with others across the web, and also subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon. Thank you very much.